I can smell it. Aha. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous.
Here's the traditional factory. We produce traditional fish sauce, so we have to use the wool barrel like this. Yeah, and inside we have 15 tons of fish and salt. In Phu Quoc, when we produce fish sauce, we only use 100% anchovy fish. The anchovy fish have to be caught around Phu Quoc Island. It's near Cambodia in Thailand Bay. Because at that place, the quality is higher than the other place. After 1 year, we test the nitrogen. 40, 43, 45 nitrogen. It means gram per liter.
Anchovies.
Oh,
Should
I wonder what a bath of fish sauce is like.
There.
Oh God, it's delicious.
Really?
It really is.
It is. It's better than other fish sauces.
Seriously. If nitrogen is higher, is it more delicious? Is it better? Oh, okay.
Higher is less salty than the lower. They prefer the lower for cooking.
Because it's salty. And
Yeah.
This one for dipping.
Yeah, dip direct. Salt we use to produce
Sea
fish
salt.
sauce.
And where do we get the salt from? Phu Quoc too?
In Vũng Tàu. Yeah.
Near Ho Chi Minh?
Yes, yes.
Ah.
Barrier Vũng Tàu.
Vũng Tàu. Oh, this is the 5 years one. Wow. Okay.
You use it. Yeah, it's for someone who dive in the ocean.
Deep dive?
Yeah,
You have like a spoonful or something
Yeah.
before you go.
yeah.
It helps you dive deeper, longer.
No,
No,
it
it's
keeps
make
your
warm.
body warm.
Yeah,
In the cold water.
yeah.
I see.
Or you cold
Interesting. How much would you take? Like 1 spoon
1 spoon.
for a cup?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, I've had this before.
It's stronger.
Oh, it's so strong. Thank you so much. You were absolutely amazing. You're a fantastic
What's your name?
tour guide.
It's cool.
Koon.
Yeah.
Pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, pleasure to meet you. Thank you.
Bye-bye.